Today guys, very easy, salsa verde, my way. We can do this by knife or quickly blend it. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we cook always al bacio. 1 egg yolk, boil a little bit, just put inside. Some peanut, teaspoon, okay? Capers, 2 teaspoons of capers. Olives, if you like, maybe 10-12 olives, stuff like that. Half garlic, if you like more, you can put even more. Anchovies, I put 7 inside, maybe 8. Breadcrumbs, the fresh one, I put some white wine vinegar just to make some flavor. Squeeze a little bit, you see? Put inside. Parsley and basil, okay? Salt and pepper. Salt, just be careful because we have the anchovies, they salty, the capers, they salty. Just add some because the salt we can add anytime, okay? Some pepper, a touch of extra virgin olive oil. And now guys, take your time because the beginner is not very easy to blend it. We try. You see? Guys, look there. Absolutely stunning. The smell is very, very nice. You know, it's quite thick. If you want a little bit smooth, we can add a little bit of oil and we make more smooth. You see? 10 minutes. The best salsa verde homemade is this. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!